Hello dear learners and welcome to this tutorial on S-Talks, which is a basic online tool for meetings and webinars. So let us see the learning objectives and outcomes. At the end of this tutorial, the learner will be able to go to the home page of S-Talks and sign in or log in as per the requirement. If you're a new user, you will create an account. If you already have an account and if you are a member, then you can directly sign in and log in. Then the learner will be able to schedule a meeting or a webinar in S-Talks, share the link or invitation message and send the invitation to people to join and attend the virtual session. So, dear learners, let us see what's actually S-Talks. It's a cloud-based video conferencing system that offers server message block and large enterprises a single platform from which to communicate and collaborate online. And it permits free video conferencing, web conferencing, online meetings, screen sharing, and many more. And it's a good platform to communicate effectively, and it equips the users with the very high definition, that is ultra high definition video and audio, as well as instant messaging functionality. So dear learners, this particular session is to schedule and to know the method how to schedule a meeting or a webinar using S-Talks. So the first step is to go to Google and type this S-Talks. Once you go, you will be taken to the home page. So this is how it appears. S-Talks. So they permit meetings, webinars, rooms. For example, here you can say in rooms, they have room solutions, mini rooms, huddle rooms, small rooms. You all need to explore as per your requirement. And they have an option to schedule a meeting or a webinar. You can call us in case of any query or problem. You can request a demo. They have a support desk, and since I have logged in, so it is showing us my account. And if you are getting an invitation, you can directly join from here. And if you are hosting, you will go to the host. So once you go to host, you can see host a meeting or host a webinar. You can schedule. So this is how it appears. So the first thing is, if you're using for the first time, you need to create an account. You need to sign up, and that will ask for your basic details of Gmail and the basic credentials. And once you enter your Gmail account or an email account, you will be sent a mail for verification of your email account. And once you are done, so your account will be activated. Once it is active and once you go in, then this is how the home page of S-Talks looks. It's a very user-friendly, simple approach. So this particular tutorial is to see how to schedule a meeting or a webinar. So if you see on the screen, there is an option of schedule a meeting or a webinar. And this is the dashboard, and we'll see remaining features in the further tutorial. So here we will see how to schedule a meeting or a webinar. So all you have to do is click on this schedule. Once you click on schedule a meeting or a webinar, it will ask you whether you want to schedule a meeting or you want to schedule a webinar. For example, if I say meeting, so next, then it will ask to give the details. So you can give the details. For example, I can give the title, discussion on ICT based, okay. Then I can customize my date. Let me keep it 8th of May. So this is done. Then you can select a time as per the requirement. I can keep as 8. That's it. And then you can customize and schedule whether to keep for hour. That is, you need to set the duration. You need to set your time zone. Since I belong to India, it is showing as Asia, Calcutta. Then I will give a brief description. I can say a brainstorming session. And I will click on schedule. So that's it. So you can see my meeting is done. I have scheduled my meeting. Now the next step is it doesn't stop here. This is just a schedule version. Now what next? I need to invite, I need to share. So this is how you can click on copy link. If you click on copy link, you will be getting the link which can be copied and you can share with the others. You can copy this invitation message and you can share with the others so they can come and join your class. So this is one option to schedule a meeting. You can see my 2 meetings are scheduled. Then you can go to schedule once again, and then it will ask you what next. If you have to ask for some other meeting, you can schedule that. Then you can go back to meetings, and in some case, if you wish to schedule a webinar, you can click on webinar in the same way, and that is one thing. So it's a very simple approach in which you can schedule a meeting. If you click on webinar, the same details are there for webinar: time, duration, theme, recording option, whether to record and to keep it on the cloud. So there are different options. So now let me show you how to schedule for a webinar. So now let's click on webinar. Next. So now you can see these are the features by which you can schedule a webinar. So let me keep the same topic, or I can say discussion on ICT base. That's my favorite. And you can say live webinar, automated webinar, on-demand webinar. You can click on the date. Let me keep as it is. No, yeah, fine. This is my time zone. Registration on, off. Yes, people can register. Registration notification. I want to receive an email notification. Yes, if someone registers, I will keep on getting the alerts. Registration limit on, off. You can keep a limit as to how many people can attend, how many people can register. Approve, automatically approve. So the registrants, once they log in and once they try to register, it will automatically receive information on how to join the webinar. Or in some case, you can manually approve. Maybe you don't want the system to approve, so you have the option for the manual approve. So the organizer must approve the registrants. If you want to customize and approve only few selected people, so you can click on this option, payment. You can keep it free or you can keep it paid. If you keep it paid, you need to give on the different options for payment. Live streaming, this S-Talks, cloud recording. Yes, it will be recorded on the cloud. Reminder emails, if you wish to give and send the reminder emails to participants and panelists before the event, you can customize on, off. Sender emails, you can upgrade to webinar, reply to email, and chat. Here you can customize and give the initial settings. So you can allow the attendees to have both group chat with everyone and private chat with the host, or you can allow the attendees to have private chat with host only, or you can allow the attendees to have group chat. And these are the different customization and settings which you need to give to your webinar to keep it a very structured and simple way. So dear learners, this is all about how to schedule a meeting or a webinar using S-Talks, and I believe this session will be very, very helpful to all of you, those who wish to use S-Talks for meetings and webinars. So thank you, and keep in mind we are lifelong learners, we are teachers, and we need to constantly update ourselves to learn new things and explore and share. So remember, change is mandatory, survival is optional. Thank you so much.